Durable nylon mashing plate folds flat for compact storage. Designed to fit into curved bowl edges. Stainless steel shaft with locking collar. Comfortable non-slip handle. Dishwasher safe. Conventional mashers can be awkward to store due to their long handle and mashing head that are fixed at right angles to each other. The Delta solves this problem as the head can be neatly folded flat after use. Before using, simply lock the mashing head in position with a small sliding collar located on the shaft. After use, slide the collar back up the shaft and secure it at the base of the handle. In addition to being easier to store, Delta is more efficient to use. Its curved mashing plate is designed to fit better into the edges of a pan or bowl, which means more potato is squashed with each plunge of the masher. Suitable for non-stick cookware. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Make slump-free, fluffy mash like a ricer. The best thing about this nifty masher is it works very much like a ricer and gives me lump-free, fluffy mash every time. The curved edges are another bonus. I'll never go back to the old-style mashers now I've used this. I've been using this since March and it's still like new, so has held up well in durability. The fact it folds flat means I can just put it into my clutter drawer. Cleaning is easy. I rinse under hot water to get all the bits out, then into the dishwasher.